Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best beer pong table is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any party, gathering, or casual get-together, transforming ordinary nights into legendary events filled with laughter, friendly competition, and unforgettable memories. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to elevate your game or a newcomer eager to dive into the chaotic fun, choosing the right table can significantly impact the overall experience, ensuring smooth gameplay, durability, and portability for endless entertainment. Number 5. GoPong 8-foot portable beer pong table. Elevate your next gathering with this portable 8-foot table. It's crafted from high-strength, lightweight aluminum and even includes 6 pong balls to get the fun started. Designed for serious players, this table meets official beer pong dimensions. At 8 feet long, it's perfect for tournament brackets and measures 2 feet by 27.5 inches, weighing just 25 pounds. Be the ultimate host. This table is guaranteed to be the highlight of any house party, barbecue, tailgate, or camping trip. It's the perfect addition to holiday weekends and more. Don't worry about spills. Its durable melamine playing surface is beer-proof and ready to withstand even the rowdiest parties. Just remember to keep it protected from the elements. Take the fun anywhere with this incredibly portable design. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to set up and move, ensuring good times wherever you go. Available in classic black, spirited football, patriotic American flag designs, or even a custom dry erase option to personalize your game. What we like. This table is built for serious partygoers. Its durable aluminum construction and beer-proof surface mean it can handle even the wildest nights. If you're looking for a reliable, regulation-sized table that can withstand spills and frequent use at house parties, BBQs, or tailgates, this is the one for you. What people say. Very easy to set up. Looks just as shown, and very good quality. Folds up into a small easy-to-carry square. Super sturdy and usable. The table is well made and sturdy. We intend to take it on our next camping trip. Number 4. Versapong Portable Beer Pong Table. Introducing the Versapong Portable Beer Pong Table. It's designed for ultimate convenience, allowing you to set up your game anywhere, anytime. When you're done, it easily stacks into a lightweight travel case with backpack straps. Take the fun with you without the hassle. Perfect for dorm rooms, basements, the beach, or even tailgating events. It's the versatile game that fits your lifestyle. Crafted from durable, premium-grade material, this table is built for long-term use. It's made to withstand countless games. Enjoy a much smaller and lighter alternative to traditional tables. Plus, it's easily customizable to make it your own. What we like. For those who value ultimate portability and customization, this option is a game changer. Its compact, backpack-style case makes it incredibly easy to transport to any event. If you're a student in a dorm, a beachgoer, or a frequent tailgater who wants a game that's easy to carry and personalize, you should consider this. What people say. The whole thing comes in this really cool, well-made, backpack-style bag. The craftsmanship on the bag itself looks really durable and will come in handy when hitting the beach. Each piece is very durable and looks like it will be used for a long time. This thing even came with cup holders for each side with a ball holder in the middle. The tripod configuration really makes it able to be used virtually anywhere. Number 3. Football Field Game Pong Table. Get ready for the ultimate game night with this football field-themed pong table. It's designed for fun and convenience. Never worry about spills again. Our pre-drilled cup holes keep your drinks secure, and hole covers are included for extra protection. Weighing only 20 pounds, this table is incredibly lightweight and portable. It folds down to a compact 2 by 2 feet and even has a carrying handle. Unlike other tables, ours features telescopic legs that are easy to adjust. Simply pull to extend and push to retract, no assembly required. With 22 drilled holes, there's plenty of space for all your drinks, including a dedicated wash cup. Enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. Designed for lightweight fun, this table is ideal for casual gatherings and parties. Please note, it's not intended for heavy-duty use. What we like. Tired of wobbly tables and spilled drinks? This table features innovative telescopic legs that extend and retract with ease, plus pre-drilled holes for your cups. If you prioritize convenience and a stable playing surface without the hassle of complicated setup, especially if you're hosting at home or a casual outdoor gathering, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is well made and looks great. It is lightweight and easy to carry around. This table has done just that. No more cups falling off the table, and no more cups sliding due to the table being wet. Also, the football field design helps gameplay with rules like behind the back. It is very compact, portable and lightweight, but the only downside I see is that it is not sturdy enough to withstand kickstands. It folds in half twice and has a lock and handles for those parties that require somewhat of a trek. Once folded up, it can be transported or stored easily. Number 2. ProSpin Portable Ping Pong Set. Transform any table into a ping pong arena in seconds. Our portable set offers a hassle-free setup, letting you enjoy games on the go. Surprise loved ones with the ultimate gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, bringing joy to all ages. Unleash excitement anywhere. It fits various table sizes and is perfect for indoor or outdoor fun at home, the office, or even the beach. Experience enhanced spin and performance with our upgraded paddles featuring comfortable, ergonomic handles. The 3-star balls ensure consistent bounce and durability. We're committed to your satisfaction. If your set isn't perfect, we'll replace it. Enjoy your new game risk-free. What we like. This isn't your typical beer pong table, but it offers a unique twist for game enthusiasts. Its ability to transform any surface into a playing area with a retractable net is incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a fun, adaptable game that can be set up anywhere, indoors or out, and offers a premium playing experience with comfortable paddles, this is perfect for family game nights or impromptu get-togethers. What people say. The quality exceeded my expectations, easy to assemble, and folds up smoothly, and the paddles and balls that came with it are great quality too. The design is sleek, the setup feels professional, and it's durable enough to handle some serious matches. The retractable net fits securely on any table we've tried, and it's super easy to set up and take down. The paddles feel sturdy and have a good grip, and the balls have held up well with regular use. Number 1. Red Cup Pong 8-foot folding beer pong table, basketball design. Get ready for game night with this ultimate beer pong table. It's perfect for parties, tailgates, or any gathering where fun is a must. Show off your team spirit with the eye-catching basketball design. It adds a unique touch to your gaming setup. This table comes with everything you need to start playing right away. It includes a built-in bottle opener, ball rack, and 6 pong balls. When the game is over, simply fold it up and take it anywhere. Its portable design makes it easy to transport and store. Crafted from durable materials, this table is designed for countless rounds of play. Enjoy endless entertainment with this reliable gaming essential. Elevate your next event with this essential party accessory. It's the perfect centerpiece for creating memorable moments and friendly competition. What we like. Bring the excitement of the court to your next party with this themed table. It's designed for easy folding and portability, and even includes a ball rack and bottle opener for added convenience. If you're a basketball fan looking for a fun, themed beer pong experience that's easy to set up and store, especially for tailgates or casual backyard parties, this is a slam dunk. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-built, making it perfect for intense games. The folding design makes it easy to store and transport, which is a huge plus. The surface is smooth and even, ensuring fair gameplay for everyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.